I was just thinking of Turning Point when I was just talking about this resurgence. And I mean, 10 years ago, you couldn't conceive of something like that happening, of young people, especially rallying around the conservatism and the religious aspect and people outpouring like that. And it's a beautiful thing. And I've had many different discussions, over the years about this, and it's always illuminated me, each one more and more and more. I mean, some argue that the basic tenets of the United States of America, only apply if it's based on a layer of religion. Without that, none of that stuff applies. It applies on the assumption that we're going to behave in this Christian manner. And without it, the principles kind of fall out the window. And other concepts that I had never really considered or pondered because they didn't come up in my history books at school. So yeah, I think whatever you do, Larry, you're going to have to do a podcast series alongside the book. Is that a deal?
Well, I appreciate that. I'm actually this year going to ramp up my blog at least. I have never actually monetized my videos, my blog, or my X posts, and I'm finally doing that. And so you'll probably see me do some more podcasting eventually. I don't know if I'd be very good at it. I don't really have the face, for it.
I think there's a lot of examples of people without the face that are doing great. So,
All right, all right.
but yeah, all right. So if people want to obviously read your blog posts and your extended ones, it's larrysanger.org. Other ways for them to follow you or stay in touch with you?
On X, L Sanger. But beyond that, well, yes, there's the Knowledge Standards Foundation. If they want to put their name on the mailing list, we don't spam you, that's for sure. That's at Encyclosphere, just like it sounds, like encyclopedia, but it's Encyclosphere.
How do you get out of a rat race? How do you create wealth not only for yourself, but also for the generations to come after?
I am absolutely amazed with the quality of companies that we're getting exposure to.
We go on to Zoom calls with the innovators and the folks who are building new applications in metaverse, blockchain, artificial intelligence, decentralized finance.
What's going on, everybody? Thumbs up if you can see me.
We are focusing on early stage investment.
And the quality of people that we're getting exposure to, whether it be Dan Tapiero with 1RT, Jason Ma from Open, Yatsu from Animoca.
It's been a phenomenal experience thus far. It has far exceeded my expectations.
We are focusing on cutting edge technologies.
I view it now as the best investment I've ever made. The upside I view is unlimited.
And as a retail investor, I would never get this exposure anywhere else outside of Investment Club.
See you in the investment club.
.org. And if you're a developer, we might be starting some new projects, or you might pick up where we have left off on our Mattermost forum. And you can find a link to that on encyclosphere.org. But that's where any sort of activity for the Knowledge Standards Foundation is taking place, on the Mattermost forum.
All right, fantastic. Larry, thank you so much for your creations and also your objectivity about your creations. And then these ideas and your theses on how we can turn it all around. Such an important time right now, especially as we start leaning more and more on these kind of one-stop shop, one answer LLMs. We need to really maybe condition ourselves to, like you said, look for the 3 different articles on the new generation of Wikipedia, or ask the LLMs their sources, not just to worry about the hallucination factor, but also making sure that we really get the truth in a world that's getting more and more digitized. And sometimes I laugh to myself. I mean, Alex Jones calls his show InfoWars. The future will be an information war, and that's pretty much all it will be. So your ability to discern the truth, your truth, is probably going to be the single most important thing. And I think your thoughts on it are excellent. So thank you so much, Larry. Appreciate this, and all the best with the new book.
All right. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Excellent. Take care, everybody. We'll see you next time on London Real. Bye.
To continue watching the rest of the episode for free,
visit our website londonreal.tv or click the link in the description below. Hi, it's Brian Rose from London Real. You probably know that we've just recently been re-platformed on YouTube after 25 months completely in the dark. The truth is, I really need your help. What I really need you to do is click on that subscribe button right now, like this video, and maybe even leave a comment or share the link with friends. We're really fighting against an algorithm that's tried to keep us quiet for so long, and the more subscribers we have, the more people watch our content, the better guests we can bring you, the better content, and we can continue transforming lives. We've been doing this for 14 years now. I want to do this for another 14 years, but I really need your help. So click on that subscribe button, like the video, leave a comment, share this, and we're going to continue to bring you more and more great content. Thank you.